The wonderful thing about Conrad was he looked at light as candy. Candy that was the best piece of candy he ever had. Hi, my name is Roy H. Wagner. I'm a director of photography. Being a director of photography is a complicated position. You know, the truth of the matter is, if you haven't had people talk about you, then you're probably not very successful. This has been a long journey for me as far as this conversation. I've spoken to hundreds of directors of photography over the course of my life. James Wong Howe, George Folsey, Billy Fraker, and Gordon Willis, Conrad Hall, Leon Shamroy, Harry Stradlin. I've interviewed over 40 on film. When I got started in this business, nobody would tell me that they'd made the same mistakes I've made. I've spent a lifetime in succeeding and failing, and I hope to be able to tell you how to survive. It's all about that subjective choice that makes you uniquely different from anyone else. All about creating a world that exists only within the frame that you create. The illusion of life at 24 frames per second. That's the only thing that matters. That's the real world, is that which is within that frame.
How has technology changed the industry?
Does the technology drive me, or do I drive the technology? A tool is something that does a repeatable event that I can count on, that I can trust. When I worked with Ansel Adams, he used to say, you can't call yourself a photographer, you can't control the final image. For him, the image was created in the darkroom. Today, what I love about digital is that we can create the image in the darkroom. Cinematography is about politics. The rules are still as elusive as they were when I first began. Being successful is not all glamour and beauty. It's sometimes about falling and being able to get back up one last time. Come join me on this journey. I hope to share with you a journey that's taken me over 50 years to come to this moment. Welcome beyond the darkness. Whatever you do, don't ever give up your dream. That here I am, 72 years old, I'm still following my dream.